Recovering your Mercari account safely is a straightforward process. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to do it effectively. If your Mercari account has been limited, it will remain so until your buyers confirm receipt of their items and provide ratings. Once your buyers have verified receipt and rated the transactions, you can request a direct deposit to transfer funds to your bank account. If you're waiting to receive shipped items, remember to rate your sellers once the items are received. If you're unable to access your Mercari account or it has been closed, contact Mercari's customer support for assistance. Mercari's customer support team will guide you through the process of recovering your account and ensuring the security of your bank information. By following these steps and reaching out to Mercari's customer support if needed, you can safely recover your Mercari account.